Hi there, I'm Brad Mackendrick. I'm the Senior Project Manager for Interior Health Major Capital Projects. We're here at the Cariboo Memorial Hospital redevelopment project in Williams Lake. The project is currently, as you can see, we're quite well into the construction phase. It started in April of 2023. We are now in April of 2024 and we are moving up out of the ground, which is the hardest phase, which is great. Completion we are due for in the end of July of 2026 for the phase 1 project, which is the new facility extension. We will be moving on from there to the phase 2 renovations of the existing facility, which is due to start around the end of 2026 into the beginning of the year 2029, and that is our completion date.